Since we're all celebrating the holidays a little differently this year, I'm teaming up with Kroger and a few familiar faces to enjoy the moment at hand. Hey Miles, you doing well, compadre?
Oh yeah, what's good, Chef? Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here.
I am so stoked to meet you, but who are those lovely people next to you?
Yes, this is my mom, Cindy, my sister, Kiana, and my dad, Jack. I don't know if you can hear my dog, Kimo, but he's roaming around somewhere.
All right, familia, do you guys have all of your ingredients for your cookies?
Yes, we got the free pickup. We're ready to rock. Let's go.
Flour.
Okay, you got the flour. Oh my God, that's heavy.
Now you need to look for a cup and a half.
It's always about keeping things fresh.
Oh yeah.
And we're not gonna let some cookies get the best of us, okay, familia?
Okay, I'm doing the cleanup part.
So now you need some cocoa powder.
And the cocoa powder is gonna give it, obviously, that beautiful flavor, but it's also gonna give it that color that's gonna pop.
Oh yeah.
Talk to me about the idea of acts of kindness, because it is a tradition for you, and we're right now, it's in a moment to think about others' needs before yourself.
This was something that me and my family started, I'd say maybe 2 years ago. Kind of just, I would say, give back to people who are in need, especially in the Christmas time.
And the key was to pay it forward.
Like one time I would give, I would pay for someone's food or gift, and the person that I paid for would turn around and they would pay for the person behind them.
Those little gestures go so far.
When you're thinking of other people before yourselves.
You must be very proud.
All right, so what are some of your favorite performances during the holidays?
Well, I think for us, there's this program that's put on by the little kids, and Miles used to be part of it, and they dress up as angels and they have a little choir. It's really fun because all our family goes and watches the performance, and then afterwards we go to my tia's house and we have tamales and turkey and all the fixings, so.
Pure respect, mucho respeto, I love that. All right, Miles, while you guys are rocking and rolling with these cookies, talk to me about this new album.
Oh yeah.
Yes, We the Future. I'm super excited about it. I want them to know that we're gonna be the next upcoming voice for the new generation.
It sounds like We the People, which is the preamble of the Constitution, showing that they're representing the future. They're the ones that are gonna be leading the country very soon.
Awesome, so creative. What do you guys think about having a holiday performance of our own? You guys up for that?
I think we should. That would be lit. You wanna,
Hey, Miles,
do it?
let's go old school style.
You wanna do that?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Ready?
Let's go.
All right.
Get up. You gotta
Get up. Cause you
ain't
went.
done yet. Get up, get up. Right before you thought you lost it all.
Get your back up off the wall.
In the future, us and you can be what you want, cause only you can see. Don't ever be an imitation.
Let's go.
Avoid every single limitation.
Thank you everyone for taking a moment to keep this holiday season fresh.